Welcome to the Digital Wealth Academy YouTube channel, your go-to resource for creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. I am Director Simon, a farmer, a media executive, entrepreneur, a peer-to-peer wealth creation and personal growth advocate. On this video, I'm going to be answering some of the common questions asked by some beginners that want to go into the stock or shares industry, right? I always receive questions like, Director Simon, please, when is the best time to buy shares, stocks, as we call them in Nigeria? So, Okon, Idara, Edidion, Ali, Wale, Naomi self is looking at me. Please come closer. These are a few things to look out for before buying shares. Some of you call it stocks. They are all the same thing. Number one, when prices are low. The best time is actually when shares prices fall. Yes, some people might be crying, but that is the time for you to go in and buy as much as you can. Because when that price goes up, you'll be smiling to the bank. That is when quality stocks become cheaper, right? Giving you room for long-term gains. Buy when prices are low. Number two, after researching the company, yes, you have to research. In fact, this should be number one, right? So don't just buy because others are buying. Check the company's fundamentals, that is profit, projections, dividends, growth plans, and industry position. A strong company is worth buying any time at all. It doesn't matter. Number three, when you have spare funds you don't need at the moment. Like I said in my previous video, or I've said this before, you can use that money instead of keeping it idle in your savings account. Use it and buy shares. If you don't want to put it in a fixed deposit, you can buy shares. You might be lucky that in 2-3 months time, that shares you bought for 2 naira might grow to 3 naira and 4 naira, 5 naira, as the case may be, right? So stocks are not for urgent money. Only when you have funds you can live to grow without rushing to withdraw. Okay? Number four, when the market is calm. Avoid buying a stock when everyone is rushing in and prices are already inflated. Enter quickly when the market is less noisy, everywhere is calm. Go in and boom, do your thing. Okay? Now, number five, this one is critical. When you are thinking long term, like I said before, stock market or buying shares is not a get rich quick scheme or whatever you want to call it. Patience, they say, is what? Virtue. So you need to be patient if you're going into the stock. So if you know that you are thinking long term, please, you can buy. That is the time to put that money into shares, right? I've said this repeatedly. The Nigerian stock market rewards patience. If you are investing for 3 to 5 years or more, almost any entry point backed by solid research can be the best time for you. In summary, it all depends on your goals, strategy, and the level of preparedness that you have. The best time is when you are informed, patient, and ready for long-term investment. The points above are just for the key principles to expect when you consider buying shares. Sounds good, yeah? I know it did. So start now. Don't forget, we are building a community to help you build wealth without burning out. You don't want to miss this opportunity for anything. If you're interested, you can chat me up on WhatsApp with the number on your screen. Did you get value from this video? Of course, I know you did. Why not subscribe? Share this video with someone who might be interested to join a community of smart earners, investors, where we drop videos weekly to help you grow with proven strategies and real-time results. You can always follow me on Facebook at Simon Obo, LinkedIn Director Simon Obo, Instagram at DIS of Africa, as you can see on the screen. Don't miss any tip for anything. Building wealth is possible. If you're willing, I am in, and the rest will be history.